I go to Slidey. If you want to start pulling like all the wood and shit like that, just start getting it up by the front.
Are those wheelbarrows there or at Havenview?
I think they're, our wheelbarrows?
Yeah.
They're here in the back. We should grab
The
those
new
for
ones?
sure. Yeah.
What are we going to put them on now?
Just put them in the back of my truck.
All right.
You have a key to get in the side door?
Nope. Yep.
Cameraman does.
I do. We're here live, backyard Oasis Pools. There's no way I'm lifting this by myself with my shoulder.
You hear that? You hear that, camera? That means he's a bitch. He just said, I'm a bitch.
See all the quarter reps I did? Does this pop out?
Nope. Just run it through here and go all the way over there. There's a old meat hook over there. Nope, right there. Down.
Can't see shit. Hang on, there's a step.
Oh shit, that's a little taller than I thought there. Turn around, dude. You got an atypical mole right there, dude. I'll get that looked at.
Where? Am I gonna die?
Slidey build. Roll. Bobcat guy is like trying hard to sell us that fucking Bobcat, dude. What sucks is like we're gonna need like we got pallets of pavers to move off of this job. We got pallets of pavers to move off the Surfside job. It'd be nice to have a skid steer with some forklift legs on it, dude. We're picking up a skid steer and a dump trailer, and then headed to Slidey for site cleanup. Usually site cleanup is like step right before the last step. The last thing we want to do is set equipment and plaster, but we want the site to be completely cleaned and graded before we do that. So do that today, and then probably plaster this pool either tomorrow or Friday, and Slidey build's done.
My shoulder's about to leave the chat again. Oh, this fucking rail is stupid. Love when a camera guy films me struggling. Fucking scumbag. God. Ah! Ah! Fucking piece of shit.
Call Big Daddy and see if they're still gonna take stuff. Hey, what's up, Mike? Is it Dylan with Backyard Oasis? What's up, man? Are you guys still taking like fill dirt over there or no? Okay, and you just like charge per load, or how do you guys do that? $65 per trailer. Okay, but like a little bit of grass is okay. All right, cool, man. I'm gonna send a guy your way, but to be honest, we're probably gonna have 4 or 5 at least. In the back of that yard on the right, there's a big pile of just fill dirt. So back the trailer up. Have you ever used this thing?
Yeah, I think I remember.
No, it's just up and down. Just make sure you open the back gate.
Guess we ought to take a shovel in case.
You should be fine, but yeah, so if it goes up and there's some stuck up top, just pull the truck forward really fast, it'll let it loose. Tired, dude. That's what I got for you. Fucking grading. Trying to get as much as these fucking concrete clay rocks out of here. That way we can come smooth grade it after the fence is up, but that's the goal.
How appropriate. It's game week. I feel like I'm watching the Dolphins right now. It's nothing but heartbreak.
Move to South Carolina, they say. There'll be no shoveling, they say. That was a lie, they say.
Good, huh? Kind of like we know what we're doing a little bit. It's cash flow, baby, cash flow.
You want to just pick up a couple commercial accounts?
I don't want to do it all, dude. I'm gonna build that house next.
I mean, I got a drain cover to put on if you want to put a little dent in the cash flow.
That would be just a little dent, dude. I don't know if I called it dent.
Fucking sitting in his leather seat. Got shocks underneath the seat. Don't worry. We'll get the dirt. Now we thinking. Unbelievable! Oh,
Dump that dirt off of there, dude.
Why? Dump it off.
Why?
Not onto the board. What was the point of that?
You getting my atypical mole? I'm getting. It's right there somewhere. There it is. Oh my fuck! I'm dehydrated, dude. My neck just cramped.
To pass out, I ain't had a sip of water since the gym this morning. Just Ghost and 6 ounces of Prime. I got goosebumps, chill bumps. It's 88 degrees. It can't be good.
Site cleanup, rough grade done. Equipment tomorrow. Plaster a couple days from now. Slatty's done. They're swimming.
We out here. like and subscribe.